How to turn on or turn off friend requests notifications on Facebook PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple and easy. Just go to Facebook. This is the home page, as you can see. Go to the top corner, click right here, click on settings and privacy. Now all what you have to do is simple. Click again on settings. It will take you to this page. Go here, click on notifications. After you click on notifications, now all what you have to do is simple. Just scroll down and you will find friend requests. Click on it and you can enable it or disable it just from here, as you can see. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you later and thank you so much.